self-publish your recipes into an ebook. Convert your hobby into a professional service by compiling your recipes into a digital ebook. A digital ebook can help you share your recipes with global audiences, establishing your name in the genre. Popular cookbook authors can earn revenue and expand their own brand in numerous ways by growing their digital footprint as well as establishing a local business. Types of digital cookbooks: books on everyday dishes, fine wines, weight loss, bodybuilding, delicacies, food and lifestyle, and food businesses always have an audience. Besides, you can write on a topic of your choice or create your own niche. Distribution platforms for cookbooks: Amazon Kindle, Apple iBookstore, Smashwords, Kobo, Barnes and Noble, Google Play Books, MyLab, BakeSpace, etc. Publishing your digital cookbook. Steps involved. Step 1: do thorough research, compile your content, and divide it into topics and chapters. Step 2: use the most relevant images, license images, and create a good cover for your ebook. Step 3: structure your digital cookbook content in the most suitable format and get it translated into the languages most of your readers would be comfortable with. Step 4: directly publish your content to the desired platform. This would require some technical know-how. Step 5: you can outsource your cookbook publishing needs to a company specializing in ebook conversion and distribution services. Outsourcing your publishing needs would help you focus on your content while technical aspects are being taken care of. Contact us 1-585-283-0055 info@sunticdigital.com www.sunticdigital.com